In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your email address on Hootsuite, a handy tool for managing all your social media accounts in one place. Whether you're transitioning to a new email provider or simply updating your contact information, ensuring your account settings are up to date is crucial for maintaining seamless access to your notifications and updates. So let's dive in and walk through this step-by-step process together. First, open up your preferred web browser on your computer or device. You might use Chrome, Firefox, or another browser that you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top, type in hootsuite.com and hit enter. This will take you directly to the Hootsuite homepage where you can manage your account. Once you're on the website, the next step is to log into your Hootsuite account. Enter your credentials if you aren't already logged in. With that done, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile icon or possibly your name depending on your settings. This is your gateway to all your account settings. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, look for and select either My Profile or Account Settings. These options will guide you to the section where you can manage your personal information and preferences. In the Account Management page, direct your attention to the Email Address section. This is where your current email address is listed and where you'll make your desired change. Beside your email address, you should see an option labeled Edit, or it might appear as a small pencil icon. Click that to proceed. A new field will appear allowing you to input your new email address. Go ahead and carefully type in your new email address. Accuracy is key here because any typo might prevent future communications from being delivered successfully. Once you've entered the new address, Hootsuite may ask you to confirm your identity by entering your current password. This step is a critical security measure to ensure that it's really you making the change. After entering your password, click the Save or Update Email button to finalize your changes. Hootsuite should now send a verification message to your new email address just to confirm that it's a valid and active account. Head over to your new email inbox and you'll find a message from Hootsuite containing a verification link. It's important to click this link to verify your new email address. This step is essential for the change to take effect across your account. And voila, you've successfully updated your email address on Hootsuite. Now you can rest assured that all future communications and updates from Hootsuite will be reaching you at your new address promptly. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and make sure to like and subscribe if you found it helpful. Have a great day.